Here I have Google Pixel 6a, and today I'm going to show you how to enable video stabilization on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the video mode and touch on this button here. Okay, it suggests me to enable it in settings. Okay, so firstly you have to go to more settings, enable video stabilization here, and now you can switch stabilization settings just in video mode. So you have like standard stabilization, locked stabilization, active stabilization, and cinematic pan. So yeah, nice stabilization options, what can I say? And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.